Hello again, and video time again, and today we're just looking at this lovely little Fiat 500 finished in the white. Nice bright looking car. It's got the alloy wheels, it's got the glass sunroof, it's a nice specification. Chrome bumper trim, chrome door handles, a little bit of scuffing on that front alloy wheel there. It's got a few stone chips as well, just a few little stone chips there on the bonnet. Nothing too serious. Let's just take a look inside. It's all nice and clean inside. It's got the book pack with it. 2 remote keys. Some cleaning the boot, and it's got a spare wheel with all the toolkit there. Nothing missing. It's got a little scuff down there on the lower part of the bumper. Tiny bit there. Again, it's a tiny bit there and there. Nothing too serious. Let's just take a look inside. $109,000. Full service history with that. Has had the cam belt done as well. Radio CD. Air conditioning, that's all blowing nice and cold. Controls there for your electric windows. 5-speed manual gearbox, auxiliary and USB input, and the all important locking wheel nut tool there. Conventional handbrake. Nice bright little car inside. Radio and vehicle menu controls there, Bluetooth control there, so you can connect your phone. And controls for electric door mirrors there. So yeah, nicely equipped, easy to drive, obviously easy to park. Just been MOT, just had some new front brakes on it as well for the MOT. So there you go. If you're looking for a nice little Fiat 500, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.